Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a wellness spread in my planner. So we're going to be creating a meal plan as well as a wellness tracking plan for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and start with taking a sticker label and just covering up that little flower up there. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply all of the names of the meals. So grocery list, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. So bear with me while I do that. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for stopping in again and spending time with me. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these names down. I know some of them are crooked. It's okay. We're gonna be decorating this page. These are stickers made by me, in case you were wondering. So I just make them, cut them with Cricut, and apply them to my page. I love how they look, and even though this is a vertical planner, it is called the Frosted Blooms. It works perfectly for me for my meal plan, so I think that's good. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this until I am done. So AM snack, PM snack, here we go. And I'm going to be using the Chic Blooms from the Live Love Posh planner. She makes beautiful, lovely stickers. I absolutely adore her stickers. So here we go. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and just put all of these adoring things on the bottom and the top of the page. So bear with me as I do that, but look how cute, like these, the moon, the crystals, the light bulb with the flowers, like all of this is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that until this page is done, and then we'll move on to the other areas of this planner. So I'm just gonna add small details like flowers and so on in here. I think that's so lovely. And the clear ones also match this whole theme, so I am mixing and matching both. Like, look at this daisy. How adorable is this? Okay, so adding all of these little beautiful things in here, and then we're gonna do the top. Okay, what do you guys think so far? Do you have the sticker book? If so, have you used it? Do you love it as much as I do? Because I think this is so gorgeous. I can't get enough of it. Okay, let's add this one. Like, look how pretty. I'm gonna add some butterflies and maybe some flowers throughout. On the top, it won't be as decorated. I don't have as much space, but that's all good. Look how pretty these are. Like, I cannot get enough of how beautiful all of these flowers are. I'm gonna add that one and another one of these on this side. So lovely. And I'm gonna add a vase. Let's see, I'm looking at smaller stickers in here. They're super big and beautiful, and I love them, but I need something small. Okay, so I think that's good. And now I can go ahead and make my dots to put all of my meals in. And yes, I know some of the stickers are crooked. This is for me. I don't really care as long as it's beautiful and functional. Crooked stickers have a place in life as well. Okay. Oh, and of course the shopping list. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in, and then we will start making meal plans. Here we go. Okay. So I put in the grocery list everything I need for this week. So we're all done. And now let's meal plan. So for breakfast on Monday, I'm gonna have a banana, cause why not? Leftovers, chicken Korean style, plum, apple. For my snacks, I think those are good. Then we have 2 hard-boiled eggs, because why not? Those are good for you. Well, relatively, but yes. Leftovers, chicken and rice. I think that might be really good as well. Then we can do chicken stir fry. And then on Tuesday, again, 2 hard-boiled eggs plus coffee. I usually have a cup of coffee in the morning, or I try to. Then we have leftovers. And then maybe pork chops plus salad on Wednesday for dinner. And then let's fill out my snacks. So plums will be my relatively... I love plums, you guys. I don't know why, but 1 plum fills me up quite a bit. String cheese, hummus and veggies is always a good snack for me to go to. And I usually do a celery stick and carrots, in case you wanted to do something similar. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the 2 hard-boiled eggs. I usually on the weekend pre-boil eggs and leave them in the fridge for me to grab and go. On Friday, since I don't go to work early, avocado toast, I'm gonna do some pancakes. And then Sunday, bacon and eggs, my traditional breakfast for Alex, so he's happy. Then we're gonna do Korean pancakes for lunch. Friday, I'm gonna be either not eating or I'm gonna be out. Leftovers. On Thursday, I can make a stew for dinner. And then apple plus peanut butter is a good snack too. String cheese is always a good snack. So plum. I'm just gonna distribute the plums. I have some plums left. For lunch on Sunday, we'll just do snacks. String cheese. Okay, so fish plus veggies will be Friday. Stir fry again on Saturday. Those are easy and we love them. And then Sunday dinner might be out, so I'm gonna leave it blank. Unless I need to plan for it. But for right now, I actually have enough things in my freezer and my pantry to make dinners on a scrap and like on the go. So I am really, really excited that I'm able to do that, and it does help quite a bit to have things just in the house. Okay. In my wellness planner, which is called Nature and Nurture, we're gonna do the same sticker book. So Chic Spring from Live Love Posh. I'm just gonna remove all of these little prompts that we don't need, and we'll go from there. So again, this is for the week of February 27th through March 5th. We are in March. Whoa, right? I know, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in. But I am excited because spring is coming, and otherwise I would love to stop the time, but the cold weather is not for me. So if you're like me, you probably get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these beautiful, beautiful florals to the bottom of that page. That's usually my decoration area, and then I use the rest functionally. So if you've never seen me set this planner up, it's actually kind of fun to set it up because it's beautiful and colorful and actually fun, at least for me. So, and I look forward to using it. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the checklists. This is where I track my meals and actually whether I stuck to the plan and ate what I was supposed to, or whether I was not good and pigged out, you know? You know, so one of those things. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna add this hand with the flower. Like, look how gorgeous these are. I don't know if you guys are as obsessed with these stickers as I am, but I am thoroughly obsessed. So yeah, fun, fun, fun. And again, I love kind of making the bottom in this planner very different and whimsical and all over the place. And the reason for it is because when the top is so information heavy, I want something fun to look at on the bottom of the page. So it kind of breaks up the seriousness of the page for me. Let me know how you decorate your wellness planner if you have one. Whether you use this section for actual journaling and answer those prompts, because I certainly don't, as you can tell. So but in my defense, I do have a full journal dedicated just for journaling, so that is why. Okay, I'm almost done with the bottom section of this, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm just obviously adding as much as I can into it, and then I'm just gonna take the dots from this same sticker book, and I'm gonna put the dots in the top and bottom section for me to write on. So bear with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and put those labels on, and then once the labels are on, I'm gonna start doing the dots. So as you know, those three sections are for my food, movement, and medication, and then I also do sleep and mood. So this way I get to track my symptoms and any kind of mood I have. So back onto the dots, I'm gonna fast forward this because obviously who wants to watch me put dots on the page in real time? They take forever. I do use my little tweezers from Live Love Posh, actually, the gold ones. I love them. I think they look very awesome. And they will serve me well. So let's do this. Almost done, a couple more dots, and I will be ready to go, and this planner will be finished. So thank you so much for joining me today. to watch this video. I hope you had fun and let me know what you think. I'll see you soon for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye!